Up, people? Happy Thursday. I was supposed to take today off, but my phone does not stop freaking ringing. So anyways, I called some people back, got back early. Wanted to take yesterday and today off, but I guess just yesterday. Got a no cool call out here in Bermuda Dunes. I was here like 2 or 3 years ago. Let's see what we find now. Stay tuned. Okay, people. Customer turned it on. I hear a click, but nothing. Blown fuses or bad capacitor. Let's find out. Alright, people. As you can see, it's fixed. Homeowner walked away, so I'm able to record. Had a blown fuse. Bad capacitor for the fan motor. Individual fan motor cap. Check the amps. Fan motor is running. Trying a little higher amps than it should. I advised the homeowner. He said, "Well, leave it there till it breaks down, Louis. It's working, why change it?" Like sure, there's a reason why that breaker blew. There was an old breaker too, probably a original breaker, so maybe that's it. Anyways, he's back, so let's go. Alright, we done with this call. I just got paid. They gave me a $20 tip. Plus, this is better than a $20 tip. 2 popsicles, because it's freaking hot outside. Anyways, don't forget, like, follow, subscribe, whatever you watch this on. Don't be a hater, bro. Go subscribe or follow.